Hi everyone. If you can't tell, I'm currently underneath my car starting an oil change. I have Carter here with me.
God.
Quite uncomfortable. Hold on a second. Yeah, super easy. Hold on a second. Finally got the right size wrench for this. You get that one. I did this last year with some help from Carter and my dad. It's easy. It's just, you know, of course it's gonna be hard to film with one hand. So we just took out those 3 bolts out of this fabric-y piece under here. There were more last year. Those plastic things like that, but I kind of accidentally destroyed them. So I used zip ties.
That's what we do around here.
Okay, so there's the oil filter. There's the bolt that we gotta undo to let the oil out. So let me get the tools for that. Okay. Oh, it's over here. I went back too far. Yeah. I'll use my boob to hold that down. Right. Does that look like it's under here? I think so. What the fuck was that? Here we go. Oh no, wait, I'm going the wrong way. Oops, that's hot. Ooh.
That's because you drove your ass back.
I did. I had to. Alright, I'm getting there, I'm getting there. I can do this. I'm strong enough. Oh, I felt something.
I'm not mistaken, I think me and Carter did that with
Ow. Yeah, this is really, really tight. Well, I guess that's a good thing.
I think I don't have the
Enough.
You got it?
No. You'll probably hear me like eek if I got it because of the oil. Freak. I think you did, yeah, you did this last time. Because I remember. Sure, you can try it. Hold on one second, peeps. I gotta take a break. I'll be right back. So, I tried getting the bolt off of the oil pan, and that wasn't working out too well. So I had my dad help me, and he couldn't get it either. So I had to call my brother-in-law, and we're now waiting for him to come with some muscles, see if he can get the bolt moved so we can empty the oil so I can finish this. Anyway, so I didn't get to record the rest of the oil change because it would have been a little hard with one hand, and Carter, his allergies were getting to him, and he was sneezing all over the place, so he had to come inside and take a shower. So my brother-in-law came and he got the bolt, and easy peasy from there. Drained the oil, replaced the oil filter, and filled it back up with fresh oil, and then reset the oil thing on my car. So it didn't take that long. As soon as the bolt, came open for him. All right, my mind keeps getting distracted. I'm sorry. That's just how I get sometimes. Plus the breeze is really nice, and it's really nice outside. So, but anyway, yeah, the oil change. Now, like I say, it would have been quicker if I could have just yanked that right off. I also want to show you guys this. I painted yesterday. Isn't that neat? I had a fun time painting that. At first I thought it was going to look stupid because, I haven't painted like that in a long time. But I impressed myself. It got really good. Yesterday, my sister took me and my mom, to a painting place. We have a friend that has her own painting place, but she doesn't do this kind of painting. She does like pottery and stuff. So, don't mind my hair. I'm sorry. I know I never look right in my videos, but seriously, don't mind my hair. Anyway. And this place does it on boards. So, that piece of wood. Yeah. So the lady that runs the shop, she actually drew the butterfly and drew the petals for the flowers, but I painted all of the rest of it and the details. And my mother did one. She did a butterfly, but she did a big butterfly, and it was different than this. It doesn't have flowers or anything. And my sister did a Highland cow. Those things are so stinking cute. I'll put some pictures in, because she took some pictures while we were doing it, and the finished product. So, but anyway, yeah, that will probably be it for today. I don't have anything else to say, but I do have a busy week coming up because I need to get stuff done. I know I say this all the time, you've heard it so many times, but I have my thumb surgery on Friday. I have it this coming Friday, so I need to make sure all of the laundry's done, the house is straightened up, the grass is weed whacked and mowed, and all the cages are cleaned, and all that fancy schmancy stuff, because Friday, after my thumb gets fixed, I'm not gonna want to do anything, I'm sure. And I don't know how long of a I would say a recovery or whatever. I'm sure a day or two I'm gonna be not wanting to do anything, so I gotta make sure all of it's done before that. And I didn't say Happy Mother's Day on Sunday to anyone on here. So if you are watching and you are a mother, happy Mother's Day, belated, but it still counts. Anything else? I don't think. So, I guess I'll see y'all later. Have a great night.